Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your mic sound like trash. Alright, for this, it's recommended to have an old Logitech camera. It's not really necessary, but if you have one, it can make the audio sound even more distorted. The first step is to search for Run here. Then search for Control. Hardware and Sound. Sound. Here, go to Recording. And here, all your microphones should appear. As I mentioned before, if you have the camera mic, that's better. But either way, if you don't have the camera mic, do the following. Double-click on your microphone, Levels, and turn it up to 100. If another option appears below, you should turn that up to 100 as well. Now go to Advanced. Here, choose the one with the lowest hertz, the worst quality possible. In my case, it's this one. Then click Apply. If you have the camera mic, you'll do the exact same thing. And that's it. If you're going to use it on Discord, make sure to turn off noise suppression, which is in Settings, Voice, and Video. That's all. If you found the video helpful, leave me a like and a subscription. Thanks!